Hello guys, a new mining site, Coincxo. Like you see, this is the homepage of the site. The link will be in the description. You press start now. You put your name and username, email, and password, and a secret question, and also a secret answer. Then you press agree, and you register in the site. I already registered in the site. Let's log in. Now my account is opening. Like you see, this is the account, this is the dashboard. Like you see, it's an investment site, but you can earn for free. This is the home page. You can make a deposit by pressing make a deposit and select a plan. Minimum plan is from $10, like you see, with 8% daily for 15 days. There is also for $1,800 and for $10,000. Like you see, this is the plans. How we will get $10 for free? It's simple. I will show you in the video. Don't skip. There is deposit list, the deposit history if you make a deposit. Also there is withdraw. You can withdraw your money. You can choose any cryptocurrency here and withdraw. Let's choose Litecoin, like that. You can withdraw. Also you must put your address here. It's in edit profile. You edit your profile. And you put your addresses here. Like you see, all addresses are here. For earning, when you deposit or make a deposit, you will get your earning here, transaction. Now we return to our dashboard. Like you see, this is our site today. Like you see, there is, when you press in the menu on the page, there is bounty. Here we will get our $10 for free. Like you see, you can make reposting a campaign in Facebook. Reward between 0.5 and $3 for Facebook. Also in Twitter, the same. In Trustpilot, from $1 to $10. Vote from $2.5 to $100. Also for a video, you'll get from $3 to $500. Like you see, you can make a video in YouTube. You can do all these tasks and get $10 for free, like I told you, and get the first plan. This is our video today. All link will be in description. See you another mining video.